Okay, UV light opens. Little whatever spinner. They use some foil to dissipate the lights everywhere. I picked up this one, whatever this is. I only got 70%. Got my stuff. And then this. I'm only gonna coat the top and probably the sides and then let it sit on that plate and run for a few minutes. And we'll see what happens. All right, let's give this a shot now. Let's see. Check it out. Looks like little bubbles here and there, but feel it. It's nice and hard. Right, Todd? All right. Okay. I'm gonna use a little bit of. I only have 70%, but just squirting a little rubbing alcohol in here. Still being protected. Got your clothes on, everything, right? Gloves, mask, filter. One thing I do recommend is just be cautious when rubbing this on there. It'll flick on you backwards, so wear a face shield if you need one. Other than that, it looks good. Okay, sprayed a little primer filler, but check this out. I didn't do a good job here with everything here. Like I got bubbles and all that good stuff. It's okay. With the finger, giving you the finger. You see it? Can you see it? Smooth. I didn't even sand this thing. There's barely any lines, so I know if I sanded it a little bit or did something, probably would have come out better. But another coat wouldn't hurt either, but it works.